In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Fidelity Trader Web. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to open it, and what to expect once you're in, so you can start using the platform with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to the official Fidelity website at www.fidelity.com. For your security, make sure you see the lock icon in your browser address bar and that the URL is correct before you proceed. On the home page, click Login. Enter your login credentials and complete any security verification prompted by Fidelity. This could include a code sent to your device or other identity checks. If you run into issues here, double-check your browser autofill settings and confirm you're on the official site rather than a search ad or third-party link. Once you're signed in, look to the top navigation menu. Hover over or click Accounts and Trade. From that drop-down, select Fidelity Trader Web. Fidelity launches Trader Web directly from this Accounts and Trade menu after you log in, so you don't need to install anything. If a new window doesn't appear, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups or if an extension is preventing the page from opening. Allow pop-ups for Fidelity and try again. On some setups, Trader Web opens in the same tab. On others, it may open in a new one. When Trader Web loads, you'll see a streamlined single-screen trading workspace with integrated tools, designed to keep your analysis and order entry in one place. You'll have access to real-time quotes and streaming data so prices and market depth update continuously without manual refresh. The charts are advanced, offering multiple timeframes, technical indicators, and drawing tools to help you analyze trends and plan entries and exits. Your watch lists and account positions appear together, making it easy to track the symbols you care about while monitoring your holdings. There's also a market news panel to surface relevant headlines and events as you research. And when you're ready to place an order, the trade ticket is right there, so you can act quickly without switching screens. A few important notes before you dive in. Trader Web is available only for eligible Fidelity brokerage accounts, and certain capabilities like complex option strategies or advanced order types require additional trading permissions. If you don't see a feature, it may be tied to those permissions. For the best experience, use a desktop or a large screen laptop with a modern browser. Keep your connection stable and consider disabling aggressive content blockers on the site. That's it. Log in, open accounts and trade, launch Trader Web, and you're ready to explore the tools in a unified workspace.